We had a thunderstorm roll through here the afternoon a couple of days ago, day before yesterday, and came from the east. I was working on the computer, had the windows in my little house open. I heard a couple of, well, eventually I heard one thunder that came really loud, really fast from the east. And a few minutes later I heard one on the south, or west rather. The storm was moving from the east to the west. And Riley was in the bathroom and he saw the flash and he heard the bang. And he came out. Lightning hit the tree. He was in the bathroom there. The lightning hit the tree. Looks like it went pretty much all the way up. Now let's get the right tree.